Most creators ignore the education niche because they think it's boring or too hard. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Some of the highest YouTube payouts are hiding in education. And if you understand how it works, you can earn 10 times more than creators in entertainment. Here's why. YouTube doesn't just pay based on views. It pays based on who is watching your videos and what advertisers are willing to spend. That's why entertainment or funny content might bring in only $1 to $3 per thousand views. But in education, if you're teaching things like AI tools, tech skills, financial basics, or career growth, advertisers line up to reach your audience, and they pay big. We're talking $10, $20, sometimes even $30 per thousand views. Let me put that in perspective. Imagine two channels both hit 100,000 views. One is a fun entertainment channel, and they might make around $150. The other is an education channel focused on tech or career growth, and they could make $1,500 to $3,000 from the exact same views. That's the power of this niche. And it doesn't stop with ads. Education creators can add affiliate links to apps, sell their own courses, or partner with brands who want to sponsor tutorials. That means you're not just making money from YouTube itself, but stacking multiple income streams on top. So while most people are chasing short-term trends and quick laughs, education creators are building channels that last, with stable income that keeps paying even when they're not uploading daily. If you want me to break down the top education sub-niches in 2025, the ones that are paying the most right now, subscribe and stay tuned because that's exactly what I'm revealing next.